Breaking news: the AI revolution is transforming the way we work and make money. In this video, we'll reveal the shocking truth about how to make $500 a day using AI tools. With the latest advancements in technology, it's now possible to earn a significant income from the comfort of your own home. We'll take a closer look at the best AI tools for finance, investment, and business. From Apple to Google, we'll explore how the biggest companies are using AI to drive growth and profits. Get ready to learn the secrets of the AI elite and start building your own wealth. Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the latest news and insights on technology, finance, and business. If you're looking to make money using AI tools, you're in the right place. Our team of experts has years of experience in the field and will guide you through the process of getting started. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exclusive content and updates. We'll be covering topics such as crypto, real estate, and education, so be sure to hit that notification bell. With our help, you can achieve financial freedom and live the life you've always wanted. The history of AI dates back to the 1950s, but it's only in recent years that we've seen a significant increase in its adoption. With the development of tools like chatbots, virtual assistants, and machine learning algorithms, it's now possible to automate many tasks and processes. According to a report by Google, the AI market is expected to reach $190 billion by 2025. This growth is driven by the increasing demand for AI-powered solutions in industries such as healthcare, finance, and education. As AI continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative applications in the future. In the past, making $500 a day was a challenging task that required a lot of hard work and dedication. However, with the advent of AI tools, it's now possible to achieve this goal with relatively less effort. One of the most popular AI tools for making money is Amazon's Alexa, which can be used to create and sell voice-activated SS. Another example is Google's TensorFlow, which can be used to build and train machine learning models. We'll be exploring more examples of AI tools and their applications in the finance and business sectors. Now here's where it gets interesting. The rise of AI tools has created new opportunities for entrepreneurs and small business owners. With the help of AI, it's now possible to start and grow a successful business with relatively little capital. According to a report by Tesla, the number of small businesses using AI has increased by 20% in the past year. This trend is expected to continue as more businesses adopt AI-powered solutions to drive growth and efficiency. We'll be taking a closer look at the best AI tools for small businesses and startups. But that's not all. The use of AI tools also has its challenges and limitations. One of the biggest concerns is the potential job displacement caused by automation. According to a report by the World Economic Forum, up to 75 million jobs may be displaced by 2022. However, the same report also notes that up to 133 million new jobs may be created in the same period. We'll be exploring the impact of AI on the job market and what it means for workers and businesses. The best AI tools for making money are those that can automate tasks and processes, freeing up time and resources for more strategic activities. One example is Google's AutoML, which can be used to build and train machine learning models without requiring extensive coding knowledge. Another example is Apple's CoreML, which can be used to integrate machine learning models into iOS and macOS apps. We'll be taking a closer look at the best AI tools for finance, investment, and business. Now, what I'm about to tell you next is something most people completely miss: the importance of education and training in the AI era. As AI continues to evolve, it's essential to have the right skills and knowledge to take advantage of its potential. According to a report by the World Bank, the demand for AI and machine learning skills is expected to increase by 30% in the next 5 years. We'll be exploring the best educational resources and training programs for AI and machine learning. The AI tools market is highly competitive, with many companies offering innovative solutions for finance, investment, and business. One of the most popular AI tools for investment is Robinhood, which uses machine learning algorithms to provide personalized investment recommendations. Another example is Credit Karma, which uses AI to provide free credit monitoring and reporting. We'll be comparing the best AI tools for investment and finance, and exploring their pros and cons. But not everyone agrees. Some experts are warning about the potential risks and limitations of AI tools. According to a report by the Harvard Business Review, the use of AI can lead to bias and discrimination in decision-making. Another concern is the potential for AI to displace human workers, particularly in industries where automation is widespread. We'll be exploring the potential risks and limitations of AI tools, and what it means for businesses and workers. The impact of AI tools on the finance and business sectors cannot be overstated. According to a report by McKinsey, the use of AI can lead to a 10 to 20% increase in productivity and efficiency. Another report by Deloitte notes that the use of AI can lead to a 15 to 30% reduction in costs. We'll be exploring the impact of AI tools on the finance and business sectors, and what it means for companies and workers. So, what does this mean for you? If you're looking to make $500 a day using AI tools, it's essential to have the right SS and knowledge. According to a report by Guldur, the average salary for an AI engineer is over $141,000 per year. However, it's not necessary to have a degree in AI or machine learning to get started. We'll be providing actionable advice and tips on how to get started with AI tools, and what it takes to succeed in the AI era. The future of AI tools is exciting and uncertain. According to a report by Gartner, the AI market is expected to reach $3.9 trillion by 2025. Another report by Forbes notes that the use of AI can lead to a 20 to 30% increase in innovation and entrepreneurship. We'll be exploring the future of AI tools, and what it means for businesses, workers, and the economy as a whole. Now, let's take a closer look at the best AI tools for finance and investment. One of the most popular AI tools for investment is Betterment, which uses machine learning algorithms to provide personalized investment recommendations. Another example is Wealthfront, which uses AI to provide low-cost and automated investment management. We'll be comparing the best AI tools for finance and investment, and exploring their pros and cons. But which is better, human intuition or AI-powered decision-making? According to a report by the MIT Sloan Management Review, the use of AI can lead to more accurate and objective decision-making. However, another report by the Harvard Business Review notes that human intuition and judgment are still essential in many industries. We'll be exploring the debate between human intuition and AI-powered decision-making, and what it means for businesses and workers. The cost of using AI tools can vary widely, depending on the specific application and industry. According to a report by IBM, the cost of implementing AI can range from $50,000 to $500,000 or more. However, the potential benefits of AI can far outweigh the costs, particularly in industries where automation is widespread. We'll be exploring the cost of using AI tools, and what it means for businesses and workers. So, how can you get started with AI tools? The first step is to identify your goals and objectives, and to determine which AI tools are best suited to your needs. According to a report by Microsoft, the most popular AI tools for beginners are chatbots, virtual assistants, and machine learning algorithms. We'll be providing actionable advice and tips on how to get started with AI tools, and what it takes to succeed in the AI era. The potential risks and limitations of AI tools cannot be ignored. According to a report by the World Economic Forum, the use of AI can lead to bias and discrimination in decision-making. Another concern is the potential for AI to displace human workers, particularly in industries where automation is widespread. We'll be exploring the potential risks and limitations of AI tools, and what it means for businesses and workers. Now, let's take a closer look at the best AI tools for business and entrepreneurship. One of the most popular AI tools for business is Salesforce, which uses machine learning algorithms to provide personalized customer service and sales recommendations. Another example is HubSpot, which uses AI to provide inbound marketing and sales automation. We'll be comparing the best AI tools for business, and exploring their pros and cons. But what about the job market? According to a report by the World Bank, the demand for AI and machine learning SS is expected to increase by 30% in the next 5 years. However, another report by the McKinsey Global Institute notes that up to 800 million jobs could be lost worldwide due to automation by 2030. We'll be exploring the impact of AI on the job market, and what it means for workers and businesses. The future of work is uncertain, but one thing is clear: AI tools will play a major role in shaping the economy and job market of the future. According to a report by the World Economic Forum, the use of AI can lead to a 10 to 20% increase in productivity and efficiency. However, it's essential to address the potential risks and limitations of AI tools, and to ensure that workers and businesses are equipped to succeed in the AI era. Finally, let's summarize the key takeaways from this video. We've explored the best AI tools for finance, investment, and business, and we've discussed the potential risks and limitations of AI tools. We've also provided actionable advice and tips on how to get started with AI tools, and what it takes to succeed in the AI era. If you're looking to make $500 a day using AI tools, we hope this video has been helpful and informative. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more exclusive content and updates. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the section below. We'll be responding to your comments and answering your questions in our next video. Until then, stay ahead of the curve and keep learning about the latest advancements in AI and machine learning.